Just saying. But now,
You never have to do that.
yeah, now we're friends, so you would never meme or troll on me ever again.
Well, that's what friends do to each other.
Nah, just kidding. If
Yeah.
a
Python doesn't do squiggly wigglies.
oh,
For...
no squiggly
You
wigglies.
put curly braces in Python?
No, I didn't. No, he was just reminding me. I didn't do that. He was just reminding me Python doesn't do it. Right, Wind?
Did they put squiggly braces in Python?
Um.
Do you want to keep your moderator status? Just kidding. I tease.
I think my client pleads the fifth on this one.
I plead the fifth on this one. Thank you, my helpful lawyer.
Video evidence.
I plead the. Damn it. There. I plead the fifth.